So what's a custom design event? And let's see if we can shed some light on this. Hello, I'm Pat Thompson. Creating a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry can be a rewarding experience, and twice a year, our national award-winning designers Richard and Rachel from Lowe Studios in Toronto will be here for a custom design event. Now, this is a perfect opportunity to discuss your custom jewelry vision, ideal for restoring family heirlooms, upgrading wedding sets, or creating a stunning engagement ring, or a piece of jewelry that is uniquely you. Now, from choosing metals, stones, and style, your diamond design consultant, along with Richard and Rachel, will guide you through the process to create your custom design sketch and estimate on site. We will schedule 1-hour complimentary and no obligation appointments over this 2-day event. Now, you can decide on the spot or take some time to reflect. And you know how we roll here, there's no pressure either way. Our next custom design event is taking place September 28th and 29th, and spaces are limited. So call us now to book your private one-on-one consultation.